Breaking news coming in on the AIADMK meet. So Chief Minister EPS will in fact be named as the party's CM face. A resolution has been passed about OPS making the announcement. So essentially this is a message that is being given to send out really that optics that all is well within the party. There's no question of an EPS versus OPS fight. Akshay Nath is joining us live with more details on this. So Akshay, EPS is going to be the CM face, no question about that.
Well, Akshita, we are currently standing outside where the AIADMK's General Council meeting is happening. Around 4,000 odd cadres of the party have assembled here. This meeting was supposed to have conducted in December 2020, but unfortunately, due to COVID-19 pandemic, it has been delayed. And today, we're seeing that the AIADMK is going ahead with its meeting. And in the 16-point resolution which is being passed, one of the key highlights that we have to see is that they have unanimously passed a resolution that Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy will be the CM candidate for the AIADMK. Similarly, they've given complete power to EPS and OPS to decide on the allies that they want to be, along with the kind of seat sharing that they want to do. All these complete power of deciding on these factors have been given to EPS and OPS. And similarly, there are multiple other points in this resolution. A few of them even condemning the kind of derogatory and also obscene remarks made by Udayanidhi Stalin is one that has been highlighted in this. They've said that the remarks made by the DMK is not acceptable and it is highly condemnable, and they will be taking that up as well. And apart from that, they've appreciated Prime Minister Narendra Modi in one of its resolutions for selecting Tamil Nadu as one of the 6 states where the housing scheme has been introduced in. So we're seeing that at the moment the meeting is still underway, and we can see from here that SP Velumani is the one who is currently talking, and the meeting is underway, and we can also see how the cadres of the AIADMK are extremely enthusiastic about today's meeting, because this is a meeting ahead of the 2021 elections, and they're hopeful that the AIADMK will come back to power, and all the steps for that is being taken now, Akshita.
So all of the talk about an EPS versus OPS fight within the AIADMK attempts to quell that with this particular announcement, EPS being the CM face, and no questions about that within the AIADMK. Akshay, thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.